shut off again, So it's still too early to take off the choke. I mean, it's getting gas. It's getting gas. It's getting gas. It's getting air fuel spark. I guess it's just not hot enough. But you know what? Before I again, let me just take it outside, because starting it was once upon a time a problem. That is not our problem. I like to take dirt bikes off of the stand from the right side because I like to grab the front brake, just so I know the bike's not gonna move on me. This shit hot. This shit hot. All right. Let's guide this young calf outside. Don't hit the people them bike. Yeah, man. I'm not from Jamaica. I am from Trinidad. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, buddy. So we're gonna try this again. Classic dirt bike stance. We're gonna grab a helmet real quick, just in case. I'm taking it as easy as I can. You gotta go hard. Get this damn bike working. Now let's turn the choke back on. No, choke's already on. What's up, bro? All right, these some weak ass kicks. Hold on, we gotta get back to it. Back to it. Get to the money. Fuck. Nah, I'm good. Gotta get to the money, bro. Hold on, let me pause this and see if I can get it started again. I took the choke off too soon. Oh, man. All right, I'll let it sit. All right, so the last few kicks were pretty good. The bike did start without the choke. And when I revved on when I used the throttle, I revved a little bit and it kicked back and shut off. So it's there. So let's see what happens. So the starting part is not the problem. The problem is really when the bike gets hot, it just likes to shut off and not come back on. Well, not shut off, it dies out. But we're gonna do a little test. We're gonna see how it goes, and this will help with the diag. Fuck, shit burnt my pants. Damn, I love these pants. Aw, man, whatever. Oh, no. Yo, this bike is so powerful. Oh my God. Let's try that one more time. One more time. I got y'all this time. I'm gonna take off into the sunset. I was just upset about my burnt pants. Let's get it. A little primey. Halfway. Silly. All right, got a nice little. Come on, baby. I need you to start. Please. Oh! Fush. Oh, no! You know what they say, don't panic. Just start this bitch right back up, but first put it in neutral. All right. Come on, let's go. Let's get this one kick. For the fans, come on, for the fans. For the only fans. No. For the haters? Definitely not. All right, for the real ones. No, not for the real ones. For all the black people. This bike wants to cut off. No, stop dying, bro. Why? Once again, for the black people. For the people in the back. For the people in the front. All right, I ain't gonna lie, that wasn't even in neutral. We're still in first gear here. All right, give one more chance to the black folks. Come on, Honda. Mr. Honda, Senior Honda, Honda. All right, for the beautiful ladies, maybe? Fuck. All right, we gotta give the beautiful ladies one more try. Come on, because that one should have worked. Nah, that didn't work at all. For the ones that love us, though. For the beautiful ladies that love us. I'm gonna make sure not to mess with this one. I gotta get this. My girl's in there. Oh, so close. All right, for my girl, just for her. My girl. Oh, you ain't gonna disrespect me. This one for my girl. Come on. I gotta do it for the bester. Come on, baby. Oh, so close. For the bester. All right. I'm gonna stop messing around. I'm gonna take it back to the shop because I'm sweating bullets. There's obviously something wrong with this bike. Shouldn't be shutting off like this. Starts up good, runs good, sounds solid. I'm gonna show you how it sounds. I think it's the clutch. The clutch on this thing is sticky, so when I start letting it out and it gets into gear, it just wants to pull. It doesn't sit properly. I never noticed that before because I never really, troubleshot this bike by myself. There were always people around, and I never noticed the clutch is really. I gotta do some research on the clutch. See if that can cause a problem while starting. My girl blessed it. To be fair, this is not my bike. My bike wants to pop up so bad, but I don't know, bro. Tell me why. The idle is pretty high. I don't want to start messing with this shit and get lost. The main thing is, bike runs, but when it gets hot, it just doesn't want to start again. It's overheating. It's missing out. Stop it. What's going on here, buddy? What's happening? What's happening? Why are you overheating? Why are you burning up my pants? Why are you being a bad girl today? Ever since I met you, you've been nothing but problems. You've been nothing but bad to me, girl. I just want to ride you. Come on. Roger wants to ride you. Ooh, ooh. Burn me. You burn me. You strip my clothes off me. You piss coolant. I paid good money for this coolant. It's getting hot.